Hello everyone, my name is Richard Nance and I sell used trucks. Today I have what everyone is looking for. It's a 2016 Freightliner Glider kit. This truck has a Series 60 Detroit engine, 12.7 liters. It's a 1991 or later engine, 500 horsepower. Has an Eaton 10-speed. This is fresh from our detail shop. The motor was rebuilt at 711,000 miles. It has 765,000 miles currently. Nice truck. Would be a great first-time owner-operator truck, or one of you veterans out there that always been looking for a glider. This is your chance to get a very nice truck at a very nice price. Please call Richard 336-663-2891. Thank you.